This is News 14 Carolina. Meteorologist Matthew East, and you've clicked onto the latest edition here of the Carolina weather video. Hey, April Fool's Day, the first day of April 2009 is here upon us, and let's take a look at temperatures across the country this morning. We have a lot to talk about again, but let's start off with temperatures. And mild air flooding all across the southeastern part of the country, and that is fueling the first of a couple storm systems which are going to be swinging on through. That's the radar shot from 5:15 this morning, and what we have here is a band of showers and some embedded thunderstorm activity moving through Georgia into the North Carolina mountains, and we will see these showers pushing through mainly this morning. And yeah, there could be a few rumbles of thunder with that activity, but I don't anticipate any severe weather issues with this first system coming up today. So we'll see some showers today, especially through the first half of the day in the Charlotte and Triad zones, and then maybe a lingering shower this afternoon. The severe weather threat today, can't rule out an isolated severe storm in southern Alabama, Georgia, or the Florida Panhandle. Bigger threat today is back over Oklahoma and northeast Texas. That'll be especially as we get very late in the day, especially overnight tonight. As that next system dives in. That'll probably be a late night severe weather threat in the southern plains. All right, let's go out to the day tomorrow. We will briefly have a wedging scenario set up, so it'll be a day tomorrow that features mainly a cloudy sky, high temperatures tomorrow, upper 50s to lower 60s, and some light rain at times, especially tomorrow afternoon. Meanwhile, this is at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Big low pressure beginning to really strengthen over Arkansas, and this is probably severe weather beginning to develop in the lower Mississippi Valley by early tomorrow afternoon. And this is the chart now for 8 p.m. tomorrow evening. Big low pressure in western Kentucky, and that severe weather threat really firing up in Mississippi and Alabama at that point in time as we go through tomorrow afternoon. And we go on out now to 2 a.m. and notice the wedge is now gone here in the Carolinas. Warm front surging northward, and as we get into, in terms of the severe weather at that point, we're looking at eastern Alabama, north Georgia, and eastern Tennessee up into Kentucky. And then finally, as we get to 8 a.m., that's the preset between 2 a.m. and 8 a.m., we see that round of showers and storms cruising through the Carolinas. This is the day 2 severe weather outlook from the Storm Prediction Center, and big moderate risk covering pretty much all of Alabama, all of Mississippi rather, most of Alabama. And this will probably be a pretty good severe weather risk. This is the probabilities for that day 2 outlook, and pretty large hatched area there across Mississippi and Alabama. That's where the best upper level wind fields in terms of helicity and strength of the winds will overlap with the strongest instability coming up tomorrow afternoon. Now, here in our area, we do have a severe weather threat in the Carolinas. How great the threat is will depend on, first of all, how far northward that warm front can get prior to the showers and storms arriving tomorrow night. Also, any shower activity that we see tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening will help keep our atmosphere more stable. So it's just a matter of how unstable we can get. But I do think there is the chance of severe weather coming up tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow afternoon and back in the deep south. The severe weather threat here in the Carolinas will occur late tomorrow night, late Thursday night, and into Friday morning, probably from around midnight to 9 a.m. That's your main window of opportunity for severe weather. Midnight, not tonight, midnight tomorrow night until 9 o'clock Friday morning. That's our best opportunity for severe weather. And we'll have to watch that closely. Could be a tornadic threat very close to that warm front, especially wherever it retreats to as that shower and storm activity moves in. Here we are, 2 o'clock Friday. The system's gone. Breezy conditions settling in. Saturday looks great. Lots of sunshine, highs in the upper 60s to around 70. But here comes our next system diving down into the plain states. This is 8 p.m. Sunday, and it looks like we're going to have to throw in the chance for some showers very late in the day Sunday. And then that system really cranks. And that could be another severe weather threat coming up Sunday night into Monday morning. So we'll have to watch that Sunday night and Monday system very carefully as well. This is very active storm track continues. Looks like after that our next system will probably be later on next work week, probably Thursday or Friday. All right, that's it for this latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Everyone have a wonderful Wednesday today, and God bless.